getting ahead is getting started. So, by this thought here, I'm Stuti Singh on the behalf of Teresa House going to welcome you all in this morning assembly. Friends, prayer is the nearest approach to God. So, join your hands, close your eyes and be ready for prayer.
Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. My life have I surrendered in your hands. This life is yours, O Lord. My life have I surrendered in your hands. This life is yours, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. May I graze on your face and walk, having been like you and stand. Take me in your hands and let me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is dragging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is dragging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord.
There are many duties and responsibilities for us towards our nation. So, recognizing those duties and responsibilities, let's take pledge.
Be ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai
You know, friends, news is one of the most important source of information because it provides the news from all over the sides of the world, from all over the directions. So let's listen the news.
Good morning to you all. Here, this is Ravi Gupta to presenting the international news and the national news. Firstly, I will tell you the international news. Jammu and Kashmir, 125 communities bunker coming in two Kashmir districts along the LOC. A Nizam of Hyderabad want clean break from fine battle in UK. Gujarat BJP chief cancel welcome car rally in Surat. Now I will tell you the national news. US access Russia of testing anti-satellite weapon is space. White House dropped payroll tax cut as crop uneven virus adds. Iran says passengers plan Harris overseas by US jet. German court convict 93-year-old former concentration camp guard. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Every day have a big history. So let's know the history of the day.
Good morning, myself Himanshu Tripathi from Teresa House with history of the day. In 1858, United States and Japan signed the Paris Treaty. In 1921, Adolf Hitler became the leader of the National Socialist German Worker Party. In 1945, the BBC Light program radio station is launched from mainstream light entertainment and music. In 1980, Iran adopted a new holy flag after the Islamic Revolution. In 1959, first United States conduct election in Hawaii as a state of union. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now it's time to ask you some questions related on general knowledge and general awareness. So be ready for a quiz. So your first question is, who is the governor of RBI? And your options are A. Shakti Das, B. Urjit Patel, C. Raghuram Rajan, or D. Vimal Jalan. Yes, your correct option is A. Shakti Das. Your next question is, when was the Indian National Congress formed? And your options are A. 1890, B. 1865, C. 1875, or D. 1885. Yes, your correct option is D. 1885. Your next question is, which British officer helped in formation of Indian National Congress? And your options are A. Lord William, B. A.O. Hume, C. Lord Lytton, or D. None of these. Yes, your correct option is B. A.O. Hume. Your next question is, who is known as the father of Constitution? And your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, your correct option is B. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Your next question is, who is the present governor of Uttar Pradesh? And your options are A. Ram Naik, B. Kalyan Singh, C. Nirmala Sitharaman, or D. Anandiben Patel. Yes, your correct option is D. Anandiben Patel. Your next question is, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in which country? And your options are A. USA, B. South Africa, C. China, or D. Australia. You're absolutely correct, and your correct option is C. China. Your last question is, what is the full form of EVM? And your options are A. Electronic voting machine, B. Electronic value machine, C. Electronic voting mechanism, or D. None of these. Yes, Your correct option is A. Electronic voting machine. Activities are very important for us as well as for our body parts. So let's do the warm-up activity.
how bright our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant. How comely, how bright our lovely radiant. Rays along and minds beyond, our soul radiant. School of thoughts, tomorrow's thought, blooming flowers radiant, dreams along and minds beyond, our soul radiant, school of thoughts, tomorrow thought, blooming flowers radiant, 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 our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, the air and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, the air and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. The lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. The lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant.